Hello everybody, welcome back. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create an Expedia account right there on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and start our video. For that purpose, what you will do is first of all open your mobile's browser, and you can go ahead and you can see this. I'm here in expedia.com. What you're going to do is simply go to your search bar of your Chrome browser, of any browser of your mobile phone, and search expedia.com, and then you will be able to land on this kind of interface over here. Then you will see this two option, which is include sign in with Google directly, simple and easy method. Tap on that, you're good to go. The account's information will redirect from your Google, and you do not have to do any further except for the confirmations. Then you can tap on this email option, where you can go ahead and enter your email that is there. Tap on this continue option, and then you are good to go. You will get this 6-digit code, which will be right there in your email address. If you go back, open your inbox, you can see I've got the email. Go to this and simply go ahead, copy that particular code over here, copy, go back to Expedia, enter that, paste that link, tap on this continue option. Then you will have to complete this verification over here. So you will have to verify yourself. Okay, once you're done doing the verification, you'll simply be able to get signed in right there in Expedia. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching.